Greetings and welcome to our channel. We're excited to share our passion with you and hope you'll join us on this journey. 2024 Volvo EX90 coming to Australia. XC90 facelift. Volvo's electric SUV flagship will make the trip down under late in 2024, but it's not clear whether the facelifted version of the petrol-powered XC90 that'll accompany it globally will be coming alongside it. The updated XC90 hasn't yet been revealed. When it's launched, it will give Volvo a petrol alternative to the X90 in markets not yet ready for pure electric power as it gears up to phase out internal combustion globally by 2030. In Australia, however, the brand has committed to going EV only by 2026. The X90 comes with a reskin of the XC90, but my preference is not to take it all, Volvo Car Australia Managing Director Stephen Connor recently told media. Mr. Connor said there may be crossover between the last examples of the current XC90 being sold in Australia and the first of the EX90 depending on how production ramps up, however. By the time 2024 rolls around, the current XC90 will be 8 years old. If it carries on until the end of Volvo internal combustion production in 2030, the bones of the petrol and plug-in hybrid XC90 will be 14 years old. That's a long time relative to the average luxury car, but not unusual for Volvo. The first-generation XC90 also lived 14 years, earning a cult following among family buyers in the process. Its death in Australia will come sooner than the rest of the world due to the brand's plans to sell only electric cars down under by 2026. Although upstarts such as Tesla, BYD, and its corporate cousins at Polestar are already electric only, Volvo plans to be the first brand to fully transition to pure electric power in Australia, having previously offered petrol, diesel, and plug-in hybrid options locally. We're not going to wait for 2030, we're not going to wait for the global strategy to come out. I put a proposal to Gothenburg the other day, and we will be fully electric by 2026 in Australia, Mr. Connor said. Given the original XC90 remained on sale for over 15 years, the current car could conceivably stick around for more than a few years. Indeed, Volvo has prior experience keeping a car in production along with its successor. When the second-generation XC90 was launched, the company moved the first-generation model's production equipment to China. There, the original crossover was renamed XC Classic, and was sold for a year or two at a price below that of its replacement. When the XC90's replacement is launched later this year, it will be the brand's first electric-only model and will have styling closely related to the 2021 concept Recharge. It will also be an important milestone as the brand is aiming to completely ditch internal combustion engines globally by 2030. Volvo expects to derive at least half of its sales from EVs by 2025,